We start with strong leadership from the president on down that is consistent about following the science. Second, we clearly have to rebuild our state and local health departments. That infrastructure is critical to tracking the next virus, a virus we don't know the name of. And third, we have to rebuild our scientific institutions, both their credibility as well as their resources. And I'm talking about the CDC, the FDA, the National Institutes of Health, the Public Health Service. There is no question that they need additional resources. And let me say something about NIH. We have to worry about the next generation of scientists, and that means training grants. I want to double the NIH budget. Not only deep investments in the CDC as well as the FDA, but we need to double the NIH budget to remember that this country will be strong. The world will be able to anticipate the next virus if we're training the next generation of world-class scientists.